Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy by hand. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. You will also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a candy thermometer, and wooden skewers or paper cones. Make sure your work area is clean and prepared for the next steps. Next, combine the 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup in your saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue heating until the syrup reaches precisely 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pan from the heat as soon as it hits this temperature. Now, let the hot syrup cool for approximately 10 minutes until it thickens slightly. Once cooled, dip a whisk or a fork into the syrup. Hold it high and quickly drizzle very thin strands back and forth over a greased baking sheet or parchment paper. As the fine threads form, carefully gather them onto a wooden skewer or a paper cone. Work swiftly to create your fluffy treat. For the best results, remember to work quickly because the syrup cools and hardens very fast. Maintaining a consistent temperature during the cooking phase is crucial for the right consistency. Don't be afraid to practice your drizzling technique. It takes a few tries to get those perfect, delicate strands. Once made, store your delicious cotton candy in an airtight container to keep it fresh and fluffy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.